Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I'm Eric Tallman. Rain and thunderstorms today, so that's going to be quite interesting. We are not expecting any severe weather for those that are wondering, okay, we're getting thunderstorms today. These are just general thunderstorms, so nothing severe to worry about. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the rest of the forecast. The forecast highlights is slight warm up today, mostly in the 50s with showers and a couple of thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening. The highest rainfall totals through today will average a quarter to a half an inch and south of I-69. Some locally heavier amounts associated with any thunderstorm activity. Cold air moves back into the region tonight, bringing lows into the near freezing mark once again. I know, we're never looking forward to that. I don't like cold temperatures anyway, but we have to deal with that. So anyway, dry weather for Monday with high temperatures back down into the 40s. Lows tomorrow fall back into the upper 20s and low upper 30s. Warm temperature trend Tuesday through midweek. Thunderstorm outlook for today. Isolated thunderstorms for lower Michigan this afternoon. Wind gusts of 40 miles per hour or greater, and hail less than 1 inch possible. So, southeast Michigan is not expected any severe weather. No severe weather expected for southeast Michigan. This is Eric Tallman. We'll see you again at 12:30.